Hello, dear students, parents, teachers of Gurukul Group of Institutions. I, Dr. Sayeda Amina, Head Department of Biology, feel highly privileged to present before you a brief analysis of results of Gurukul Independent PU Science College for the year 2020. We all know that the results have been declared on 14th of July 2020 at around 11:30 a.m. and everybody is curious to know the details of this year. I feel extremely happy to announce that this year too, Gurukul has excelled in academics by showing remarkable performances by its students. I would like to heartily congratulate all my dear students who have come out with flying colors and made their teachers, parents, and above all the institute proud. I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude and acknowledgement to the Honorable Management Jaji Group of Institutions, who is constantly supportive and cooperative and a strong source of inspiration for the students as well as for the teachers. I also would like to place on record the utmost contribution of the principal, vice principal, without whose service this day would not have been witnessed. I would be failing in my duty if I do not mention the round-the-clock dedication, the hard work, the motivation and inspiration of all the faculty members who are the building blocks of Gurukul and significant contributors to this success. Overall, I would like to say that this endeavor, what we witnessed today, is the result of the teamwork and team efforts of Gurukul PU Science College. Coming to the college overall results, so the total number of students admitted is 470. Out of this, 468 students have appeared for the examination. And out of 468 students who have appeared, this year we have 228 students who have scored distinction, that is 85% and above. And this is quite a great number, which approximates to 49%. Okay. And in the first class category, we have 231 students. In the second class, there are 6 students who fit in this category. And coming to the overall passing percentage, this year's passing percentage is 99.57. Out of the 468 students who have appeared, total 37 students have scored 100 out of 100 marks in different subjects. And the maximum number of 100 out of 100 scorers are in the subject mathematics, where 25 students have scored out marks, followed by biology, in which 9 students have scored out marks, and followed by physics, in which 3 students have scored 100 out of 100 marks. So totally there are 37 students who fall in this category. We have 108 students this year who have scored 90% and above marks, and this is again a very great contribution. So out of 468, 108 students, which is quite a big number, have scored 90% and above marks. Coming to the subject-wise highest marks, out of the 5 core subjects, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, and electronics, in the 3 subjects, that is physics, mathematics, and biology, the highest score is 100. Whereas in subjects chemistry and electronics, the highest score is 99. Coming to the language category, we have the highest score as 99 in the subject English and 98 for both Kannada and Hindi. When we look at the mark analysis in different range of marks, that is 90 to 100, 85 to 89, 60 to 84, etc., we have quite significant number of students who fit in the category of 90 to 100 marks in different subjects. The highest among this is the subject biology, in which 283 students have scored marks more than 89. That is, they fit in the category of 90 to 100, followed by mathematics, where the number is 223, then physics 179, chemistry 148, etc. Coming to the overall passing percentage subject wise, in all these subjects, the passing percentage is 100, except for physics and chemistry, wherein again a significant high passing percentage we have this year, that is 99.79%. Remaining all subjects score is 100%. Our college topper for this year is Mr. Om K. Vernekar, whose total score is 582 out of 600, and he has scored considerably high marks in all the subjects, including languages. Our second topper is Ms. Srishti S. Shastri, whose total score is 581 out of 600, and she too has scored very good marks in all the subjects, and she has 2 out of out marks in 2 subjects, that is maths and biology. We have 3 students for college third toppers category, that is Mr. Jadav Pavan Ambar, Mr. Satvik Umesh L. Shetty, and Ms. Prema Umakant ji. Their total score is 574 out of 600. Our PCMB toppers for this year is, there are 2 students who fall in this category, Mr. Srishti S. Shastri and Mr. Satvik Umesh L. Shetty. Their PCMB total score is 398 out of 400. PCME topper is Mr. Jyotiba Trimukhe, whose total score is 395 out of 400. We have 2 students under the category of PCB toppers, Ms. Srishti Shastri and Mr. Satvik Umesh L. Shetty. Total score 298. We have 4 students under the category of PCM toppers, and their total score is 298 out of 300. So these are the wonderful results we have produced this year. I heartily thank the management once again for their constant contribution and inspiration. I thank the principal, teaching and non-teaching staff for this wonderful results. And next year too, we'll try hard to get better results than this. Thank you, one and all.